Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change bank account on Amazon Flex. So if you want to change the bank account, then here is the information that can help you, so follow the steps. So first, how to update your bank account from here. The first step is open the Amazon Flex app. Now launch the app on your device and sign in to your account. Now navigate to account settings, tap on the main menu, the menu icon at the three horizontal line button located in the top left corner, then select account settings from the menu option. Now access payment information. Within account settings, tap on the payment information. Now edit bank account details. You will see your current bank account information. Now tap on edit or change next to your bank details, or you can find a pencil icon that will allow you to edit your bank details. Now enter new bank account information. Input your new bank account details including bank name, account number, routing number, and account type, checking or savings. Save changes. After entering the new information, tap Save or Submit to update your payment method. Here is important notes for you. Verification process. Amazon may initiate a small test deposit like for example $0.01 like 1 cent to verify your new bank account. This process can take 1 to 2 business days. So ensure you monitor your bank account for this deposit to confirm the charge. App issues. Some users have reported difficulties updating payment methods due to app glitches. If you encounter issues, try the following. Sign out and sign back into the app, uninstall and reinstall the Amazon Flex app, clear the app cache, then contact Amazon Flex support for assistance. Amazon Flex debit card users. If you are using the Amazon Flex debit card, you can manage your direct deposit settings through the Amazon Flex debit card app. This app allows you to set up direct deposit, transfer funds from another bank account, and track spending and cashback rewards. So that's pretty much all thing that how you can change your bank account on Amazon Flex. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.